The Hiligaynon word pangayo means to ask for something or also it can be a request. Pangayo, pangayo. Nagpangayo siya sang oras. It means he or she asked for some time or requested for more time. Nagpangayo siya sang oras. Nagapangayo sila sang bulig. It means they are requesting for assistance or for help. Nagapangayo sila sang bulig. So bulig is help, sila is they. So nagapangayo sila sang bulig. Pangayoon ko ang imo pabor. Pangayoon ko ang imo pabor. It means I will ask for your favor. Pangayoon ko ang imo pabor. So pabor is a favor. Ko is I and then imo is yours. So pangayoon ko ang imo pabor. Hindi ka magpangayo sang damo. It means do not ask for too much. Hindi ka magpangayo sang damo. Damo means many. And then pangayo is ask or request. So hindi means don't or do not. So hindi ka magpangayo sang damo. And that is all for our Hiligaynon word pangayo, which means to ask for something or to request. Pangayo, pangayo.